one of the greatest things you can do for yourself working night shift is to take care of yourself, period. Okay, rest, what you eat, getting as much sleep as you can, eliminating stress. Okay, those things really, really, really will keep you in it for longevity purposes. Like, it'll extend the, let me just say this. Night shift is considered a class 1 carcinogen. So I feel like by doing the things I just mentioned, you are eliminating the risk of getting cancer and just all the negative things that come with night shift as much as possible when you take care of yourself, okay? So today we're gonna do a Trader Joe's haul. For those who did not know, I lost 90 pounds in 15 months. I've been able to achieve my goal body working nights, being a full-time nursing student, okay? It's no joke, none of it was no joke, but it honestly comes down to what you eat. I love Trader Joe's, so I figure let's do a Trader Joe's haul and see what I got. I got enough stuff probably to last me about a week and a half to 2 weeks, just depending on what I meal prep. So I wanted to show you guys because I don't really eat out anymore. I cook mostly everything at home. I eat pretty balanced. For the most part, I eat whole foods, but I have snacks in here as well that I'll throw in with my whole foods, just stuff to keep me through the night when I'm working, to keep me away from the vending machine or from my clinicals, so I'm not like going through the drive-through, you know what I mean? So I figure let's do a haul for you guys and show you what I got, and yeah, let's get into it. So I know for me in maintaining my weight loss, it's important for me to have like fun foods, not just completely clean, but things that I can mix in, because for the most part, my taste buds have changed. Like, I don't even really have a desire for junk food, but when I do want something that's more on the junk side, I like it to be just at home, you know what I mean? So let me show you guys what I got. I made a video on these before. These are the Korean style beef rib, short beef ribs. They are so good. I have a video of me making them. If you scroll, you have to season it in my opinion, but it is good. Even if you don't season it, but when you season it, it's just that much better. I got these sweet cinnamon filled Korean pancakes. They are chewy, flaky dough with a with gooey cinnamon filling. One cake is 280 calories, so this would be like sparingly. I got these little rice balls. I love them. Let me open this for you. You can literally pack it in your lunch and they heat up in the microwave. Like literally, they're little individual rices. You heat them up in the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds. It goes perfect. I like things to be convenient because half the time I'm waking up just in time to get ready. So I just like everything to be hurry up so I can get at my bag and go so I'm not late for work or clinicals or whatever, because your girl still be sleepy, okay? Pizza, I love their, let's see, burrata, prosciutto, or arugula flatbread pizza. So good, love it, love it. I love these turkey corn dogs. I like corn dogs, they're really good. 170 calories for one. And then I got these fire roasted bell peppers with onions because I like to put things like when I'm cooking chicken or whatever, mix the veggies in there. This beef bulgogi, is that how you say it? Bulgogi is really good. I like to have this with rice, one of these rices that I just showed y'all, and a vegetable as a meal prep. It's really, really good. And then I got the beef birria. I eat this by itself or with some little mini tacos, or I'll make my own tacos. Let's see, in the mini tacos I got to have to go with it are these mini chicken tacos made with chicken breast. So, you know, you can like have your meat, dip it. The more protein, the better, because protein keeps you full. And then even though I make my own coffee creamers, I love these Trader Joe oat milk, brown sugar creamer, dairy-free, gluten-free, lactose-free, vegan. So good to put in my coffee because we all know I drink a lot of coffee, okay? So let me put this stuff away and I'll show you guys what's in the next bag, because this stuff is frozen. I want to keep it that way, so give me just a second. Okay, next up we have our meats. I do have these micro, which I'll show you guys this in there. for this bag. I don't know why it's in there, but for our meats, I love cooking my meats in the air fryer. I feel like it gets cooked, everything cooks perfectly. I did get some salmon. I got some chicken breast to cook to put in my salad. I eat a lot of salad. I got these chicken breakfast sausages. So good. Like when I come home, sometimes I'm just hungry, but not for anything heavy. So I got these, pop 3 of them in the air fryer while I'm taking a shower. That way I could just have something on my stomach. I realize like when I go to bed hungry, I wake up early, like too early, earlier than I would like, because I like to sleep as long as I can, especially when I have work the next day. Like, you know, we get off at night in the morning, but when I have work that same day, so good thing to just pop in the air fryer versus having like pancakes or something like that that's heavy and just not good for you, make you gain weight. I got some, what are these? Drumsticks to cook. And then I got some chicken wings. So all this from Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's. And now that I eat healthier, like before when I was like bigger and just wasn't really conscious about what I eat, Trader Joe's wouldn't just do it enough for me. So I would like get these groceries and then head over to the big grocery store and get like a bunch of junk and just stuff that is just unnecessary. But I found like eating simple and plain just works best for me. And I just feel like it's a really good, it's a good practice. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I still go to the other grocery stores, whatever, but yeah, it's just, I've changed my mind and I've changed the way I think, such as like, instead of having pancakes, throw 3 of these in there. You know what I mean? In the air fryer, have something on your stomach and go to bed, you know? So yes. I love salads. Salads are so good. I eat a lot of chicken. I forgot to get steak because I like to put steak in my lemon arugula basil salad kit that I got, but that's okay. Chicken will suffice. So I got that. I got the barbecue and black pepper chopped salad. I love Caesar salad, but they didn't have any. I could have got everything to make it individually, but I didn't. I got these microgreens. These have a lot of good nutrients, so I just add these to the salad. I got some organic baby broccolini. I try to get organic as much as I can. And then I got this sweet onion. I love onion. So when I seen this, I was really excited. I got this sweet onion salad. Yeah, it's a complete salad kit. And then I normally don't buy, that's another thing. I went to the grocery store hungry. So a couple of these things I wanted to buy, but you know, my discipline wasn't there. But like such as juice. I only drink sugar-free juice packs for the most part, but I got this organic tea and lemonade, Arnold Palmer. And then I always get my cold foam, my vanilla cold foam. I like it because it's only 10 calories per 1 tablespoon. And I probably only put less than 2 tablespoons in my coffee, just a little bit for the top. So definitely recommend getting salad kits. Got your chicken, throw your chicken, season it up, put it in the air fryer, put it in your salad. You have a good nutrient, protein, high protein meal. Seriously, it carries me through, especially on nights because I don't like to eat anything heavy. That gives me the itis, that makes me want to go to sleep because I'm probably already eating sleepy. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want anything to make it worse. Okay, and lastly, my crunchy stuff. I love their chicharrones, their pork rinds. This one's the chili lime flavor. I don't really eat chips, but I do eat pork rinds. I like them because way cleaner ingredients than your average chip. It's literally just the pig skin. And then, it's high in protein. Like, let me see, a half an ounce is 9 grams of protein. So regular chips, you don't get your protein. These you do. And protein and fiber really just go so well together. Keeps you nice and full, okay? I love, these are my kryptonite. These jalapeno seasoned corn and rice puffs. Oh my gosh, they are so good. I love these chips. I love popcorn. They're sweet corn, sweet popcorn when I have my sweet tooth. This is really good. And then lastly, my teriyaki jerky. It's another good snack. It is high in protein, 90 calories. Let me see how much protein, 9 grams of protein. So this is what I got from Trader Joe's, y'all. This is what I do. I like to pack. Sometimes I'll meal prep days in advance. But for the most part, I'm gonna go through my salads first. I'll make some chicken and just kind of go through my salad kits like that. But yeah, these should last me because I have other things in there. Probably about 2 weeks, week and a half to 2 weeks worth of groceries. I really typically only eat like one to two times a day. If I only eat 1 time a day, it's because I have work and I was slept through the day, and I'll make something really big, like a really, really big salad with lots of chicken and maybe some chicken wings on the side or steak or something like that. So just keep in mind, y'all, we are to put ourselves first because we can't pour from an empty cup. And when we're working with patients, you know, you're dealing with medicine and just a lot on the line, your license is on the line, school, whatever. You really want your brain to be functioning at a high capacity, like, you know, and food is literally fuel. So you don't have to eat super duper clean, but it is important to eat mostly clean and then have your fun foods so you don't mess around and binge eat, you know what I mean? But anyways, besties, if you haven't already, go ahead, subscribe. Y'all know your girl's in nursing school, working on building my full-time content creator journey. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.